Back now, Bursa Malaysia's derivatives market has set a record for the second consecutive year, reaching its highest ever annual volume of 23.3 million contracts in 2025, a 2% increase from 2024. Now, the exchange noted that the back-to-back record underscores how market participants are increasingly using derivatives to navigate volatility and manage risk and shifting global conditions.
In a social media post, Bursa Malaysia noted that crude palm oil futures led the activity with 19.62 million contracts traded, up 4%. This growth was driven by biodiesel policies, weather disruptions, geopolitical developments, and shifts in trade flows. Liquidity also deepened across other products. The derivatives market recorded a single-day volume of over 197,000 contracts on October 29, 2025. FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI futures night trading hit a new high in March, while gold futures posted their highest daily volume since relaunching in April 2025.
Right. In the meantime, Bursa Malaysia ended the first trading day of 2026 on a softer note as investors took profit following a recent rally amid subdued trading, despite mostly positive performances across regional markets. At 5 p.m., the FBM KLCI slipped 10.35 points to 1,669.76, down from Wednesday's close of 1,680.11. Now, the benchmark index opened 4.91 points lower at 1,675.2, its intraday high, before sliding to a day's low of 1,666.17 in the afternoon session. Market breadth was negative, with decliners outnumbering gainers 592 to 447. Another 502 counters were unchanged, while 1,115 were untraded and 18 suspended. Total turnover stood at 2.08 billion shares, valued at 1.8 billion ringgit. Right, moving on to the stock market report. Tanko Holdings Berhad topped the list of most active counters with a share turnover of more than 59 million units. The stock traded between a high of 1 ringgit 18 sen and a low of 1 ringgit 15 sen, closing at 1 ringgit 18 sen, up by 2 sen. And on the top losers list, Malaysian Pacific Industries ended with a turnover of nearly 2,900 units. The stock traded between a high of 32 ringgit 24 sen and a low of 30 ringgit 90 sen, closing at 31 ringgit 20 sen, down 1 ringgit 4 sen. And meanwhile, Nestle Malaysia Berhad headed the top gainers counter with a turnover of about 13,300 units. The stock traded between a high of 114 ringgit and 50 sen and a low of 113 sen, closing at 114 ringgit 50 sen, up by 50 sen.